What's up, YouTube? My name is Mark. If you've never checked out my channel before, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Today, we're doing a little bit of an unboxing. I just got my controller and my ESC, my dual motor ESC, just came in from Skate Club, so shout out to Skate Club. I bought this for 90 bucks on Amazon, and it's supposed to make homegirl work. So this is part of the unboxing, part of the ES2 hack that I've been working on for a little while. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start opening this up. By the way, I've never really used DHL before. Nope. Okay, so the first thing I'm pulling out is this pad, and all that I imagine that we're going to use. It's got a little sticky paper on the bottom. Oh, okay. I did not know that this was just one piece. That is actually really cool. Instead of having to like figure out how to mount this thing, it just mounts. Like it just boom on top, goes on top of the board. That's actually wonderful. That's actually gonna be a lot easier than I thought it would be. And what else? So it comes with a USB cable. The remote. It comes with this remote. Here goes the USB cable, this pad, and then our dual motor ESC, and the receiver should be in there as well. A funny thing actually is that the battery indicator and the power button are all already installed, so that's awesome. These will connect to the motors, basically. These are the three that I need for that. And then this is where it's going to plug into the battery. Right there. Cool. Oh, and then here is the transmitter antenna. Now, so that's been unboxed. I'd love to, you know, take more of a look at this thing, kind of see what all's underneath it. I'm actually really excited to get this thing on. So we got this unboxed, and I'm just going to go ahead and set these items right here. So these three cords right here are going to connect to these three cords right here. So we're actually going to change the plug off of this guy, and we're going to replace it with one of these. Thank you for watching this unboxing video. Hopefully we'll be putting this all together soon. If you have not liked, shared, and subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do that now. And you can be entered to win something that I'm not going to tell you what it is right away. And I don't even know if I want to give it away. I just kind of want y'all to like, share, and subscribe. And then high speed. All right, get ready. 3, 2.